Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I'm back with a new video. So I'm going to share with you the Remini versus PhotoTune versus MintAI photo enhancer comparison. So make sure you watch till the end. So right now this is the user interface of all the apps. Right now the Remini interface is really updated and modern UI comparison to other two, and you have very clean interface. You have a lot of other options as well, video enhancer, AI photos as well as AI avatar. On the PhotoTune and the MintAI, you have only photo enhancer option available, but MintAI also provides you some other options as well. So the one ad for saving and one ad for processing, PhotoTune and MintAI show you, but Remini only show you one ad in my opinion. So right now Remini also gives you an option to do AI color as well, which is really useful in this image. As you can see here, PhotoTune and MintAI also did very well when it comes to the adjustment after photo enhancement. Remini is better option. Remini also provides you some other features called video enhancement. I provided the link is in the description, so make sure check it out how you can do video enhancement on mobile, as well as the AI photos and AI avatar on Remini. Right now AI photos is the new feature in the Remini app. You can generate DSLR like quality images of yourself. In few seconds you have need to provide 8 to 12 photos, then Remini provide you 5 to 6 photos within few seconds. Let's compare the output quality of all the three photo enhancers. Right now Remini again did very well and do some AI colors, but PhotoTune and MintAI provide you original quality and tone of the image as well as a skin tone. But in my opinion Remini is looking good here. Again, here is the team. So right now in this photo I think PhotoTune did better in comparison to other two. On number 2 MintAI also did very well, and Remini in my opinion here is the number 3. And make sure share with others and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, my dream is 100k subscribers, it's free. In this photo you can see here Remini looks pleasing to eyes as well as really good looking in comparison to other two. In this photo PhotoTune is again on number 3 in my opinion this time, and MintAI number 2. So the Remini is really consistent as you can see here. So in my opinion Remini is really reliable and all-rounder photo enhancement app, as well as you have other options also available in the Remini. So the Remini is the winner and on number 1. On number 2 we have PhotoTune. On number 3 we have MintAI. What do you think, which one did better? Make still any type of thoughts or question in your mind, so let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. New to my channel, make sure to consider subscribe. See you soon in the next video.